Welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. I know it's day 9. I'd like to share with you a small haul from Selfridges. Okay, let's start with, oh, that's beautiful. This is the Burberry Goddess Eau de Parfum, 1.6 fluid ounce and the 2.5 fluid ounce. So I don't remember because it's supposed to be a gift. But how lovely, how Christmassy is this? There we are. I'm sure she won't mind if I smell it a little bit. One moment. Excuse me while I smell this. Oh dear. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. This is Burberry Goddess. Oh my, I may have to reconsider giving it as a gift. Okay, I'll give it to her. Fine. Gosh, you guys. I'll make sure. I'll make sure she gets it. And then, let's see. I picked up the Armani Prive, the Yulong, the Nacre. Again, I should have looked up the pronunciation. I know. But that's neither here nor there, is it? This is how it looks. The packaging. Armani's packaging is just glorious, and this was on a steep discount. Wouldn't this look gorgeous on your vanity? Or if you're giving it as a gift. How stunning. How absolutely stunning is this? You know it's stunning. This is gorgeous. So this is the Yulong, Soie, the Nacre, Armani Prive. Oh my God, that's gonna look beautiful on my vanity. I'm not giving this away. And then this one usually comes out at the end of the year, but you can only get it at Selfridges. And the last time I bought this, and I already did a review on this, so I'll link it in the card above. I had given this to my mom as a gift. This is the Armani Prive Pivoine Soie de Nacre. Excuse me, my French-speaking friends. I didn't mean to butcher it. But again, look. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Tell me that's not stunning. That is gorgeous. Oh. Wait a minute, did I even? That's lovely. I remember how lovely this is. So this time, I bought this for myself. Oh, where's my manners? I don't think I smelled this one. Pardon me. I can't smell anything, so let me spray it in here. Oh, that is fresh. Oh, it's gorgeous. You'll just have to wait for the review on that one. But it's gorgeous. Oh my God. And then another item. You don't want to see my living room. It is a mess. I picked up this collection from Suqqu, all because of Alicia Archer, or Kinky Sweat. I wanted to try this brand's makeup. So, a 4-piece collection. Okay, let's see. The first thing, this is the Gentle Whip Wash. Okay. This is one of the gifts. I already have a lot of face wash, and then this is the cleansing oil. These were gifts with that purchase, and it looks like this. Dear God, I should have had something to eat before I film. It is now 1:03, and I haven't eaten anything, and I'm jittery. Oh well, that's neither here nor there. You don't care. And then here is the compact. Oh, lovely. And then this is the quad, the eyeshadow quad. Oh, I can see New Year's Eve in this already. That is stunning. Would you like me to swatch it? No, you don't care? Gonna swatch it anyway, because I'm that type of friend. Wow, how gorgeous. There it is. Do you see that? This is New Year's Eve look in here. Or you can just put it on to run to Target. Whatever floats your boat. There are no rules in makeup. I spray perfume on to go to bed because I never know who I'm going to meet in my dreams. You never know. Always be prepared. I can hear my sister now watching this and saying, "You're dumb." And I know it. Then we have, ooh, I don't know what this is, but this is just glorious. Look at that. Okay, let's take a gander. Oh, it's the, is this a blush and highlighter? That's gorgeous, right? And it just happens to go with my pink. Let's use this hand to swatch. Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. So there it is. How glorious is that? Oh, I love that. I was going to give it as a gift, but now I'm not. That is beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time, goodbye.